Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this time we are unboxing wireless sports earphone. So let's have the overview of the box. The brand name is Geekcase. Few of us are not familiar with this brand name, but trust me guys, this is one of the best brand available in market nowadays. They have inbuilt aptx CSR and have a Google Assistant. So without any further delay, let us just unbox this. So the box contains a carry pouch in which there are earphones, a user manual. Guys, I suggest just refer to the user manual before using this earphone, and a warranty card. So let's just keep this aside and let's have a look at the earphone. So friends, I just need to admit that this is a really super cool carry pouch that we are getting with this earphone. The material is really hard and the pouch is really solid. And what to say about the packing? This is a really minimal packing that one can do. So these are our wireless earphones and they have a magnetic tip at their back. Inline controller. And this is the charging dock. Not yet over. With this earphone, we get a charging cable. And I need to say that the length is also fine, not that short. And these are some extra ear tips and earbuds that we get along with it. So these are it. The best part I like about these earphones are the magnetic tips that hold the earphones in the place. So now I will tell you how to pair this device. Just press the middle button for about 2 to 3 seconds and yes, it's done.